Greetings, this is Bruce Ward, and welcome to another 5-minute Lightroom tip. This is lesson number 5, and today I'm going to talk about your first time in the Develop module. Okay, we're in the Develop module, and I'm going to assume that you've just imported your first set of images into Lightroom and you're ready to start editing them in the Develop module. I normally work without this bar of information here showing, so I'll just move up to that little arrow there and click on it, and that bar goes away. It can always be recalled by clicking on that downward pointing arrow, or simply hovering with your cursor over that area and it temporarily appears. Goes away once you move your cursor away from it. I could also get rid of these two rows up here. You remember I told you do that by holding down the Shift key, then typing the letter F. But I'm going to leave them in place, at least for this video, because we're going to need some information from that area. When you first install Lightroom, the program constructs a default catalog for you to use. Over time, you may create additional catalogs to use. And when you do have more than one catalog created, it can get confusing as to which is the correct catalog to be using, or simply which is the catalog that you want to be using. Up here in the upper left-hand corner, it shows the name of the catalog that is currently open. For my system here, it's Lightroom CC catalog. I usually leave this line in place just as kind of a reminder as to which catalog I have open, so I can sort of confirm that that's the right one and the one that I do want open. Another way to confirm the catalog that's open is to go up here to the Edit menu, click on that, and then go down to Catalog Settings. On a Mac, that may be accessed through a menu called Lightroom, which doesn't appear in the PC version. Anyway, on the General tab in the Catalog Settings, it shows right here in the first line the location of the current catalog. And if you want to show that location in Windows Explorer or the Mac Finder, click on that button there that says Show. That brings up a file viewing window and highlights the folder where that current catalog is located. I'll close that down. We don't need that anymore, and we're finished with that window. There's one other setting that I think is important that you know about. That's in the Preferences. We'll click on Edit and go down to Preferences. On the Mac, that is Lightroom Preferences. Then in this area here under Default Catalog, where it shows when starting up, use this catalog, then you'll notice it's pointing to that same folder that we just looked at. And this ensures that this catalog, Lightroom CC catalog, will always open when I open up Lightroom. That will avoid any surprises for you possibly working in the wrong catalog and not realizing it. Once Lightroom has opened that default catalog, you can create new catalogs or select another existing catalog, and we'll look at that in a later video. That's what I wanted to cover today, and that brings us to a good stopping point. Thanks for watching. And for those of you wondering, no, the cat won't help me do the dishes. See you next time.